Come on, Joe. Good job. Come on, Lex. Come on, Lex. Don't go over there messing with him. You know how them people. Come on, Lex. Come on. Pick it up. Come on. There you go. I know. Now look, while you're recording it, check this out. All my people out there who doing shrooms, that's where shrooms come from. That's a shroom. If you boil that, you'll get high as a motherfucker. To all my people want to touch out of place, out of earth. That's a shroom. You take shrooms, they go fresh. As soon as it rains, it grows straight out of the manure. That's a shroom. Y'all take any other shit, you're gonna kill yourself. You boil that, that's how they used to get high. You boil that motherfucker had you high as a motherfucker. That's a shroom. They come fresh out of the shit. Fix that water and probably about a day, maybe.
Tell them bye, babes.